super duper easy lesson today. So P9, find values of inverse functions from tables. So let's recap. Okay, so the function f of x is invertible, which means it's 1 to 1. If it's 1 to 1, if you have an original function and it's invertible, which means it has an inverse, then its inverse, this is f of x, which is xy. F to the negative 1, which is right there that I just covered up. F to the negative 1 means inverse f, or f of inverse, okay? So the inverse of f at negative 2, which means everywhere the x was, the x and y switch, basically. So if this is negative 2, if we're looking at the inverse and there's a number in there, it's actually the y. So you're looking for the x. Okay? So negative 2 was the y for the function, so now it's the x for the inverse. I know it's kind of crazy, and I'm making it way more difficult than what it is going to be. So basically, in a nutshell, this number is your y. So you're going to look for negative 22, and your answer is going to be whatever x is in the box. So 57 over 5 is right here. So your x was negative 5 to be able to get 57 over 5. 73 and 90. Told you it was easy. A lot harder to explain. And then I put this little check mark here. It took me 1 minute and 19 seconds to make the worksheet. That means cut and paste and type and everything else, and do 14 questions, and I made a 100 on it. So super duper easy lesson. Have fun.